In the heart of the Arctic, where temperatures plunge to -40, one wolf walks alone. Every breath, a battle. Every step, survival. Through snow that swallows whole, the journey continues. Ancient trees hold secrets, but the wolf searches for something more. In the silence, danger whispers. Instinct takes over, run or be lost forever. The frozen river, a bridge between life and death. One wrong step, and the ice claims another soul. But not today, not this wolf. Deeper into the cathedral of ice, where light fears to follow. A shelter, small, forgotten, but perhaps enough. Rest is a luxury, even for a moment. But the wilderness never sleeps. Something approaches, something unseen. Then the storm arrives, nature's fury unleashed. Survival means knowing when to fight and when to hide. In darkness, the wolf waits, patient, unbroken. The storm passes, as all storms do. From the heights, the lone wolf surveys a world reborn in white. A cry to the frozen sky. I am here. I survive. The journey has no end, only direction. In the company of ghosts, the wolf remembers. As light fades, the path grows darker. Into the forest, where shadows keep their promises. And then, only silence remains. The wolf is gone, but the wild is eternal.